In this video, we're going to show you how we change the brake light on our 2001 Chevy Tahoe. To start off, we're going to go ahead and open up the hatch. And now on our vehicle, our right brake light is out. So we're going to locate two screws that are holding that housing onto the vehicle. On this rear light housing, you're going to notice that there are three different bulbs. The bottom one is the brake light that we need to replace. So taking a screwdriver, we're going to go ahead and undo those two screws that hold it on, and set those aside so they don't get lost. The replacement bulb that we'll be using is the 3157 Slovenia. Now, if your vehicle requires this same bulb, we'll be leaving an affiliate link down in the description, meaning if you do make a purchase, we'll receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Going back to our vehicle, we have those two screws removed, so now we can just pull the light housing straight back and it should pop right out. Now, we need to change the bottom bulb here, so we're going to locate the bottom housing up for the light. There's going to be a little lever that you can push in and then rotate counterclockwise. This should then free the light bulb. Now, to remove this light bulb, it's very simple. We're just going to gently grab it and pull directly up out of the socket. You might need to wiggle it a little bit as you see here, but then it comes free. Once that bulb is free, we're going to take our brand new light bulb and go ahead and begin to insert it back into that socket. You want to make sure that you line it up directly straight on the socket so that there is no room where it needs to go around, and just push it down into place gently. Once that is done, go ahead, take that bulb and replace it back into the socket. Now there's two little grooves you have to make sure that are lined up on the light compared to the housing. Once those are lined up, push it in and then rotate it clockwise until it clicks into place. To reattach the light fixture to the vehicle, you're going to notice that there's two little stubs on the light that need to go into the body of the vehicle. And there's two little holes that should line up perfectly. You're just going to line those up and then push the light directly into the vehicle of where it should go. With the light now back in its place, last thing we have to do is just replace those screws that we had taken out beforehand. And once those screws are nice and tight, we're going to just double check it's secure and we're good to go. Last thing to do is just double check that this light is working. As we can see, it's working great. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.